It, a tank is 1/5 full. When another 700 milliliters of water is poured into the tank, it becomes 2/3 full. How much water is in the tank when it is 1/5 full and 2/3 full?
Good. So we have a bunch of water in a tank. All right, let's model this out. What do we know first in the problem? Someone tell me, what do we know first in the problem? Christopher.
The tank is 1/5 full.
So what should I do to my bar? I need 5 units. Good. And 1/5 has some water. I'll draw a little bit of water on there. Okay, later we're going to be asked to find out what is 1/5 of the tank. Okay, then what happens in the problem? Maybe you don't know how to model it, but you can tell me at least what happens. Marissa?
You add 700 milliliters and then it becomes 2/3 full.
So after 700 milliliters are added, 1/5 of the tank plus 700 milliliters, then the tank is 2/3 full. Okay, so how can I show 2/3 full? What do you think, Isabel?
You could do a drop-down bar and split that bar into thirds, and then you could make it 2/3 full, or you would do another bar.
I could do thirds. Could do a drop down. How can I do it all in this bar? What do you think, Caleb?
You could split each fifth into half.
If I split each fifth in half, how many pieces am I going to have?
It's a third.
I should split it into thirds. Why, Caleb? You're exactly right. I'm going to go in a different color here. You can either do dotted lines or a different color. Why thirds, Caleb?
Because you have to, if it's 2/3 full, it has to be split into thirds, so you have to every.
It has. Okay, good. Take a look, guys. 1/5 and 2/3, they're not the same pieces. Okay, but what do we need then?
15th.
Yeah, 15ths. So 1/5 is how many 15ths, kids? 3 15ths. And 2/3 is how many 15ths, everybody? 10 15ths. Okay, so now we have the right size pieces. How can I take note of either the 700 milliliters or the 2/3? Who can tell me what to add to my model for the 700 milliliters or the 2/3?
So for 10 15ths is minus 700 milliliters.
Okay, so I know that 10 15ths, 3, 6, 9, 10 15ths is right here, and I have to find out what that is. Is all of that 700 milliliters, Isabel?
No, only 7 of the 10 15ths is 700 milliliters. So it's like
Right.
one another, and you already had some water in there.
Very good. We had some water that we started with. Then we added 700 milliliters. So that means that these 7 units equals 700. 7 units equals 700 milliliters. Okay? Because 700 milliliters is added. Otherwise, we would already have, if 700 was 2/3, then we would already have our answer for letter B, but we're being asked to find out what 2/3 is. All right, so 7 units is 700. 1 unit, kids, is 100 milliliters. What do I need to find out for A? How many units for letter A, Brian?
3 units, and they're 300 milliliters.
Good. You want to keep going for B?
Yeah, 10 units are 10,000 milliliters, or
10,000 or?
1 liter.
Okay, but that's 1,000 milliliters, and we could call that 1 liter. Either answer is acceptable. Okay, good. Let's get a sentence here. Letter A. The sentence. I'll come up with the sentence. When the tank is 1/5 full, it contains 300 milliliters of water. When the tank is 2/3 full, it can hold 1 liter of water. Well, ready to go.
Alex bought some chairs. 1/3 of them were red and 1/4 of them were blue. The remaining 35 chairs were yellow. Question A. What fraction of the chairs were yellow? Question B. How many chairs did Alex buy?
Very good. So this problem is about what, kids? Alex's So, we have all of his chairs here. Okay, what do we know about all of Alex's chairs? Give me something of a piece of information. Christopher.
1/3 of them are red.
1/3 are red, so I'm going to divide it into 3 units. I'll brace off 1/3, one of the units, and I'm going to put an R for red. What else do we know about his chairs? Jana.
1/4 of them are blue.
1/4 are blue. Now 1/4 of the remainder, or just 1/4 of all of them? All of them. How can I deal with that? What should I do, Jana?
You can divide the bar into 12.
We can divide the bar into 12s. Okay? Each third needs to be divided by? Okay, good. So we've got, there's 4, 8, 12. So the red make up how many 12s, kids? The red make up 4 12s. And who can tell me how many of the blue are going to be? Marissa? 3 12s, or 3 units here. Okay, so 3 of these units are blue, and the rest of them are yellow. Okay, how many chairs are yellow from the problem? How many chairs are yellow? Ananya? 35. Okay, we have all of our information. Question A says, what fraction of the chairs are yellow? Who can give me the sentence with a fraction of the chairs that are yellow? Emma.
5/12 of the chairs are yellow.
Perfect. 5/12 of the chairs are yellow. All right, what are we going to do to find out how many chairs Alex bought? What do we know? Christopher.
Well, we know that 5/12 equals 35.
Okay. Okay. What else? Where can we go from there?
So we know that 1 unit is 7.
1 unit equals 7. And how many units, kids, do we have altogether? 12 units. 12 times 7.
84.
Very good mental math. So, letter B, Michael Mitchell, tell me the sentence.
Alex bought 84 chairs.
Perfect. But that sentence is so short. It's a complete sentence. It's good. I like it. It's efficient. Alex bought 84 chairs. Better than he bought 84 chairs. Christopher?
Max spent 3/5 of his money in the shop and 1/4 of the remainder in another shop. Question A. What fraction of his money was left? Question B. If he had $90 left, how much money did he have at first?
Very good. Okay. So this is about Max's money. All right. Who can tell me something that I need to know about Max's money in my model? Sanjeev. Okay. So how many units is all of his money to start out with? 5 units is all of his money. And 3 of them are spent in shop 1. Okay, if you want to cross them out, you can, but you really don't have to. And then you notice, how many units do we have left, kids? 2. And what happens next, Jana?
1/4 of the remainder is spent in another shop.
So, do I need a drop down? No. Why not, Marissa?
Because you need to divide them in 2.
Good.
Because you only need 1/4 of the remainder.
Good. Because we have 2 units left, and 1/4 kind of goes with that easily, I can just go ahead and divide these 2 units in half, because now I have 4ths of the remainder, right? We're talking about just the remainder here. But if I divide 2 units in half, what should I do to the other units, Cormac?
Divide them in half as well.
I should split them all in half. Okay, so 1/4 of the remainder is 1 unit, and that was gone in shop 2. Okay, what fraction of his money is left? Letter A. I would like to hear from Caleb. What fraction of his money is left?
3/10 of his money.
Good. Good. Max has 3/10 of his money. Oh, I should say Max still has, whatever, that's okay, left. All right. Now, it says for question B, if he has $90 left, so I can go ahead and brace this and say that it's $90, then how much did he have at first all together? Who can tell me what to do here? Cormac.
Well, 3 units equals 90, so 1 unit equals 30.
Good. Are you with us, everybody? Okay, and then therefore, go ahead, Cormac.
10 units equals $300.
Good. 10 units is $300. Therefore, Max started with $300. Very good.